Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be restoring the trim around the Civic. So as you can see, we've already started with the front, and yeah, we're going to go around all the trim bits on the exterior of the car, and then it'll look fresh again. So this is the product we're using, Carplan black trim wax, and we're using these pads to go around the trim. Guys, if you guys try this, you should use gloves because it goes everywhere and it'll be easier to keep your hands clean, so protect your hands with your gloves. So guys, we've completed the first coat, so we're just waiting for it to dry and then we're gonna go over it again. As you can see, it looks amazing already. Big difference. Guys, you just apply it a little bit onto the pad and then you just rub it around the trim panel. Just go over it a couple of times. So guys, you can see the difference. It looks amazing now. We're gonna apply it a few more times in the future so it fully restores, but for now it's looking fresh and that'll last for a while. The front bumper is the only bit that didn't need refreshing, but because it hasn't faded. The side skirts and the arches kind of faded, so front bumper's fine. So the only parts we did was the side skirts and arches. Looking fresh.